Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are getting a Valentine's Day look. Now the original has supposed to been wearable. That's what I was trying to do, but you see that didn't happen and we went all the right left, right, and right corner. So we just doing a dramatic Valentine's Day look today, but it turned out really cute. And I feel like such a girl with all this pink and purple because y'all know I don't do this right here. Yeah. But it turned out cute though. My eyes about to be so stained when you ready to take this off, but you know, it's worth it, okay? When you get stained on your eyes, the look be worth it, right? But yeah, we're about to get into this look, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and comment, like, and hit that subscribe button and turn notifications. And I'm gonna say, yeah, I think that's it, and we're gonna get into this look. Okay, so first palette we're going to use is the BPerfect palette, and the colors we are using is Wasted and Funky. Wasted is the purple, Funky is the pink. So like I did last time, since I am starting with purple and that color is a little hard to blend, like I said, I want to start working backwards when I use that color. So I'm just taking a very small detail brush and packing that purple right in my crease. Next, I'm going into Funky, and I'm just going to blend it right over the purple. And y'all know my eyes was completely stained after this look. It was ridiculous. I had to put a face mask on the next day to take it off. But it turned out really cute, but it was also a little difficult to do. So, okay, now I'm going back into the purple, and I'm taking, it might be the same brush or it might be a bigger brush. I'm not sure, but either way, I'm just taking and adding some more purple since the pink kind of covered it up a little bit. You always want to go back and add more color to what you just did before. Now I'm taking a bigger blending brush. It's a detail brush, but it's a little bigger. It's like a medium sized one. And I'm just trying to blend out the edges of the purple. So to define my crease as usual, I'm adding black. Y'all already know drill. And I'm just going in with the purple brush to blend the black and the purple together. So it won't be so harsh. Yeah. And excuse me if I sound a little dry with my allergies right now. It's like 7:30 in the morning, so yeah. Okay, so to cut my crease, I'm using the Colourpop No Filter concealer in the shade Fair 00. This is the only white concealer that I use. Like, I have yet to find another one that I actually like, so Colourpop it is. And the Morphe brush I'm using is 241 or 421. It's one way or the other. And I'm just going in on the outer corner to pack in the black, which I don't know why I did that, because it ended up getting covered up anyway. So I don't know. I think because I'm just used to putting some type of color at the end of my shadow. I'm not used to just leaving it there and just having a whole lid of like one color. I don't know. I'm weird. Okay, so I'm going into the Juvia's Place Warrior palette. I'm taking that cream shadow because I do not own a white matte shadow, and I desperately need to find one because my look really didn't turn out the way I wanted it to. Like, I made it work, but I really wanted that top part up there to be white, but I didn't have one, so I had to make it green. Next, we're going into the color Rain Vivid Pigments palette, and the pink is called Drip Party or Party Drip, and then the purple, which I'm putting down now, is called Bossed Up. So I wanted this palette so bad, and it will not blend for the life of me. I don't know, like I'm really just about ready to get this palette away. Like, it's really cute, but them pigments will not blend. Like, I don't know if I need to put glitter glue down like I do my other pigments, and then maybe it would have worked. But especially on this eye, like, it worked out a little bit on the other eye, but on this eye, I have no idea what was going on. It was basically like, forget you, and you just gonna be a mess, okay? But what I was trying to do is that you see, I was trying to put the purple down first, and then kind of blend the pink on top of it, and then go back and blend the purple so it could be like a faded effect on your eye. And it was just a mess, okay? Like, I don't know what to do with the palette. I don't know what else to try. I don't know. Honestly, like, the colors are very pigmented, but it's like it's fading away. It's not even sticking to my eye. I just don't know. I'm really frustrated about it. It's like I wasted $40. I got it when it was on sale. I actually just should have left it online at the store, okay? And I did put some glitter in my crease, which I don't know why I turned out like that, but whatever. And I'm just taking the NYX Matte Black Liquid Liner and making a line across. And then I'm going to go in with the NYX Vivid Brights liner, and this is in the color Blossom. Okay, moving on to my under eye. Now, putting the pink, I used the Color Rain palette for my bottom eye, and it worked out great. Like, I had no problems. The colors went on right, pigmented, they blended. But on my top eye, I don't know what the issue is. I'm gonna try to figure it out, and if not, I'm gonna give it to the voice. Somebody will take it away from me, because if it's just sitting there and I can't use it, I'm gonna just get real mad. Okay. But I'm just blending the purple, and then I think I took a so I took a dark purple first, and then a lighter purple, and then I did pink. Please call me my phone number. Sending money the wrong number. Blood call is my business card. The way you send this phone for me. I don't need a brag. I be like, put it in the bag. When you see the words, they look good like my hands. They go shoots. Okay, so for my lips, I had to change my lip color at least 7 times. I had no idea what I wanted to do. Y'all know I'm not a big lipstick person, and my lip gloss combinations wasn't really turning out the way I wanted them to today. So I finally found something cute that I like. All right. But so I took a random brown lip liner, and I have no idea where it's from. It's don't even have a name on it. Like, I don't know where it's from. And then I took the Colourpop and Kathleen Liights lip gloss. This is in the color Moonchild. Okay. So it's like it's nude. I can't describe what type of nude it is. And then I took the Colourpop Ultra Glossy lip, my favorite, and finesse, put it on top. And yeah, this is what we got. I can deal with this. It's cute. It's not too much. Not for me, but I like it. Okay. But if you want to do something else, girl, be my guest. Okay.